from a rope 11 meter long, two pieces of length 13 by 5 meter and 33 by 10 meter are cut off. What is the length of the remaining rope? That meaning full length 11 meter long. Out of 11 meter long rope, two pieces cut off. Remaining parts, how much length it is? Okay. So how many piece you check it? That you have to find out total length of your cut piece. After finding total length of the cut piece, you have to subtract from the total length. Then you will get the remaining rope. Okay. We will solve this problem. First you have to write question number 12. Total length equal to 11 meter. Total length of the cut piece equal to 13 by 5 plus 33 by 10 meter. Denominators are different, so you have to make the denominator common. Here 10, I can make 5 also 10 by multiplying 2. Then here also you have to multiply by 2. That is the rule. 33 divided by common denominator is 10 equal to 59 divided by 10 meter. That is, we can say 5.9 meter. This is the total length of the cut piece. You want the remaining piece length. Then length of remaining piece equal to 11 meter your full length minus 5.9 meter. You will get a 5.10 meter. 11 minus 5.9. Okay. Understand it, right? Now second question number 13. Question number 13, what is the question number 13? A drum full of rice weighs 241 divided by 6 kg. If the empty drum weighs 55 by 4 kg, find the weight of the rice in the drum. 13th question. We'll solve here 13th question. Total weight how much? 241 divided by 6 kg. Okay. Weight of the drum. Weight of the drum is 55 divided by 4 kg. Now you have to put weight of the rice. Weight of the rice. How you will find out? From the total, you have to subtract weight of the drum. Understand, children? Denominators are different. So you have to take the common denominator. 6 table, 4 table, 12 it will come. So you have to make both 12. 4, 3 are 12. I have to multiply by 3 here. 6, 2 are 12. I have to multiply by 3. Both I made it 12. Okay. Common denominator 5. Subtract. $317 divided by 12. Divide it. You will get what is the answer? 26 and 5 by 12 kg. Okay, children? We can see. Here I taken common multiple method. But here I taken LCM. Both are correct. Any method you can follow. Okay. Answer will become same. Clear? Now question number 14. Question number 14. Divide the sum of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3 by their difference. Divide 5 by 12 minus 8 by 3. Sum divided by their difference. Okay. First you have to take sum. After that we will do this calculation. Okay. First we will do the sum. 65 by 12 plus 8 by 3. Denominators are different. Make 12 here also. By multiplying by 4 it will come 12. 65 by 12 plus, okay, common denominator 12. Okay children, 97 divided by 12 we will get. Next, what is the answer? 65 by 12 minus 8 by 3. Same 12 denominator you will get. Okay, you have to subtract. Now you put in this here. According to the question, sum is 97 by 12 divided by this 133 divided by 12. You know that dividend and divisor. Divisor you take reciprocal and multiply. That is the method. Reciprocal. The 12 cut out. 97 by 33. You can't cut out. Then answer is 97 by 33. Clear now? Now question number 14 over question number 15. Question number 15. The cost of 15 maths book is rupees 370 and 1 by 2. Find the cost of each book. Each meaning one book. One book meaning you have to divide. 15. Cost of 15 books equal to rupees 370 and a half. Then cost of one book equal to 370 1 by 2 divided by 15. Okay, 15 book this much. Then one book how much? 6 pen rupees 36. Then one pen, how you are getting 36 divided by 6? Am I right? Like that here also. 15 books this much. Then one book meaning this number divided by 15. Make improper fraction. 741 divided by 2 divided by 15. Take a recipe. 15 divided by 15 by 1 only. Means, okay, 741 2 into 1 by 50. Whole number always 6 means 6 by 1. Denominator always 1 whole numbers. Okay. Then this you can't cut out. What you will get? So multiply and divide. You will get a rupees 24 and 7 by 10. Divide it, you will get answer. Okay. Subtraction question. Always remember subtraction question. One word will come FROM from. After from which operations doing, that operation result will become first. From that answer only you have to subtract the another number. Clear? After from which one answer, that answer will come first. Okay. First of all you have to take the sum of this and sum of this. Question number 16. See here. Question number 16. Question number 16 minus 36 divided by 11 plus 49 divided by 22. Denominators are different. 11 table also 22 will come by multiply by 2. Then 22 you will get a minus 72 plus 49, that is equal to minus 23 divided by 22. Clear? Minus and plus, different sign coming, then you have to subtract and put a bigger number sign. Next is 33 by 8 plus minus 19 by 4. This also I can make 8 by multiplying by 2. Then out of 8, 33 minus 38, plus and minus, subtract and put a bigger number sign, minus 5 by 8. Now your question, subtract from, after from this operation you done, then minus 5 by 8 will come first, subtract minus 20. This step is too much important. How I know minus 5 by 8 will come first? Because subtraction question, one word will come FROM from, after from which operations result coming. Sum of this 133 by 8. That number will be come first. Minus minus, same sign, it will cut off and put a plus sign. Minus minus will come plus 23 by 22. Denominators are different. You can use cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication I am doing. I will get a minus 110 plus 184 divided by 176 equal to 74 divided by 176. Cut off into table, you will get a 37 divided by 88. Question number 17. By what number should 33 by 8 be divided to get minus 11 by 2? What number should minus 30 be divided? Suppose x. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. According to the question, that is according to the question, what we have to write? Minus 33 by 8 divided by x equal to minus 11 by 2. Minus 33 by 8 divided by x equal to minus 11 by 2. X only you want, take x is denominator here, that x will be moved to numerator side. 2 is denominator side, it will come to numerator side. 11 is in numerator, that will come in denominator side. Okay. X equal to 3 by 4. Clear? Question number 18. Decimal form 42 by 9. 3 table you can cut it out. After that divide. Dividing you will get a decimal form. You know, like this it will be moved. That is 4.666 etc. 6 is repeating, so you can write 6 bar. Which number up bar bracket is there, that number is repeating. Okay, like that. Minus 1 by 37, that also you can do. 1 by 37. 74, 7, 259, 10, 0, 0. It will be moved like that. 0.027, 027, 027, like that it will be moved. So you have to write 0.0270 like that it will be. Minus is there, then you have to put a minus sign. 027 is repeating, so you have to put the bar on 027. That meaning 027 is repeating. I hope everybody understood. You have to do integrated exercise, test yourself in your copy. All the exercise problem you have to do it in copy.